Did you know that by 2025, AI is expected to replace over 30% of current jobs, but at the same time, create over 130 million new job opportunities worldwide? This shocking statistic highlights the urgent need for professionals to future-proof their careers and acquire the necessary skills to thrive in the AI-driven economy. In this episode, we will explore the top 5 AI tools and technologies that are changing the job market and provide a step-by-step guide on how to build a successful career in AI. From AI automation to machine learning, we will dive into the latest trends and insights that will help you stay ahead of the curve.
Let's dive deeper into the world of AI and explore the latest trends and technologies that are shaping the job market. One of the most significant advancements in AI is the development of ChatGPT, a powerful language model that can understand and generate human-like text. This technology has the potential to automate many tasks, such as customer service, content creation, and even programming. However, it also creates new opportunities for professionals to work alongside AI systems and develop innovative solutions. For example, companies like Salesforce are crowdsourcing their AI roadmap with customers, which highlights the growing need for professionals who can collaborate with AI systems and develop effective solutions.
However, the increasing use of AI in the workplace also raises important questions about job displacement and the need for new skills. While AI has the potential to automate many tasks, it also creates new opportunities for professionals to work in areas such as AI development, deployment, and maintenance. According to a recent report by IDC, EMEA CIOs can jumpstart AI rollouts by identifying key areas where AI can add value, such as improving customer experience, enhancing operational efficiency, and driving innovation. This highlights the need for professionals to acquire new skills and adapt to the changing job market. For instance, companies like Meta are using AI to facilitate over 10 million conversations a week, which creates new opportunities for professionals to work in areas such as conversational AI and natural language processing.
So, what does the future hold for AI in the job market? According to recent trends, the future of AI is all about collaboration and augmentation. Rather than replacing humans, AI will work alongside professionals to enhance productivity, efficiency, and innovation. For example, companies like SoftBank are creating new robotics companies that build data centers, which highlights the growing need for professionals who can work alongside AI systems and develop innovative solutions. Additionally, the development of open-source AI models like Llama 4 highlights the growing trend towards transparency and collaboration in AI development. This creates new opportunities for professionals to work in areas such as AI research, development, and deployment.
So, what can you do to future-proof your career and thrive in the AI-driven economy? First, it's essential to acquire new skills and knowledge in areas such as AI, machine learning, and data science. Second, it's crucial to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies, such as ChatGPT, Salesforce, and Meta's AI-powered conversational platform. Third, it's vital to develop a mindset that is open to change, innovation, and collaboration. By following these steps and staying ahead of the curve, you can build a successful career in AI and thrive in the AI-driven economy. So, don't wait any longer. Take the first step today and start building your AI career. Like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content and stay ahead of the curve in the world of AI.